Hello, it's Nick again. Um, Back today talking about lending or mortgages for buy-to-lets. Just looking at one of the lenders, they've got examples of people who are looking to actually do their first buy-to-let. I think what's interesting about this is if you actually look at their ages, should I say, of Trevor and Pam in this example, they're 48 and 46. So the point I'm trying to make is that there are lenders out there who will take you certainly up to 67 and some cases up to 75 for investors. So people who are looking to become landlords and maybe to raise a mortgage against a property, in the long term. So they're not just looking at a 10-year term, or 20, could even go 25. So in that time, you'd imagine that there's going to be some appreciation in the property values. So hopefully it would be a good investment for them. Yeah. Okay, here's Ken and Mary. Again, they don't look like the youngest of people, but they're looking to get their first buy-to-let or looking to purchase a buy-to-let with a 5-year fixed mortgage. I mean, maybe that's a good thing or not, I don't know. But they're first-time landlords. Ken's a high-rate taxpayer, so he would definitely need advice, I would think, about how he sets this up. I'd have thought he might be better off putting it in a limited company rather than just in their own names. But anyway, that's for a tax advisor. But it just goes to show that later life lending is very much available. And I suppose if you're with a lender who is maybe saying, well, we can't lend past 65 or 67, don't let that knock you back. If you're in a mortgage situation, do reach out and speak to an advisor, because there are lenders that will certainly go up to 75 and older. Yeah, I mean, obviously everyone's in a different situation. You need to speak to an advisor who understands the market and can do a fact find and has access to numerous lenders, not just what I call the high street lenders like Lloyds, Halifax, Nationwide, because a lot of them they do restrict on ages and things. Anyway, I've rabbited on enough. If you'd like to leave a comment below, please do so. And yeah, till the next video.